If you'd like to see how I achieved my own DIY goddess box braids for $3 using just 1.5 pack of straight Kanekalon hair, like 1.5 pack of braiding hair, definitely keep on watching, okay?
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Loveth. This has been my most requested tutorial and I am so happy to show you guys how I achieved this. The first thing I'm going to do is show you guys how I got my curly pieces. For my curly pieces, I took the full pack of braiding hair, cut it in half and just feathered out the tips. Once I was done feathering out the hair, I took out a section of hair like this, and the next thing I did was go in with my Flexi rods. You can also use big Flexi rods if that's all you have, but for me, I decided to use like small Flexi rods, and I just went ahead and wrapped the hair around the Flexi rod like so. For the curly pieces, I'm going to be using 1 full pack of braiding hair, and for the straight pieces, I'm going to be using half pack of braiding hair. Once I was done wrapping the hair around the Flexi rods, I went in with my scissors, got rid of the flyaways and proceeded to the next step. So it's time to curl our hair, and to curl the hair, I literally just put the hair in my bucket as you guys can see, and to reduce the amount of frizz, I went in with my Hawaiian Silky moisturizing lotion. If you don't have this, you can also use conditioner and it will work just fine. Went ahead with like very hot water and I just allowed the hair sit in hot water for about 30 seconds to a minute. After that, I took out the hair from the hot water and allowed it air dry. The next day, the hair was completely dry and it was time to actually go ahead with the game-changing part.
I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
This next step right here is where we are going to change the game. This is where you carry the game, take it up, shake it, throw it on the ground and break it, okay? This game-changing process is what we call the double dipping method. And what I did was, dip the hair in hot water, but water that wasn't too hot, because if the water is too hot, the hair is just going to become straight. Let me just show you guys. So I took a piece, like a sample piece, and put it in hot water just to make sure that the water wasn't too hot, okay? So at this point, I knew that my water temperature was perfect to, loosen up the curls without making the hair straight. This right here was where we changed the game for good. At this point, I knew I was ready to go, okay? With how trendy goddess box braids are, you can make a ton of money by simply doing this, tying it up with a ribbon, packing it and selling it. This right here is going to last, and if you try this, your bank account is going to be on fire, because this right here cost me just $3, okay? You can sell this for 10, you can sell this for 15, just put your price on it, okay? So let me make this clear. For the curly piece, I took 1 pack of braiding hair and divided it into 2 and curled it, and for the straight piece I took half pack of braiding hair and divided it into 4, and literally that was all I used for this hair. I didn't use any other extra hair, okay? This right here was 1.5 pack of braiding hair and it was beautiful. You guys have seen me do my hair countless times over and over here on this channel, on this space, but I just wanted to feel pampered, just sit down and have someone do my hair for me. So I reached out to Faith, booked an appointment, and she came to my apartment and she slayed my hair. Guys, I had my second camera set up. I literally showed you guys how this hair was done in detail, and after going through all of that, my memory card got corrupted. If you're an influencer or a content creator, you know that this right here is every YouTuber's worst nightmare. Thank God my main camera was still recording, so I'm just going to explain how we actually did my hair. For the first piece, we used straight hair. For the second piece, we used curly hair. For the third piece, we used straight hair. For the fourth piece, we also used straight hair. For the fifth piece, we also used straight hair. And for the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, we used curly hair. So we had 1 straight piece, 1 curly piece. 3 straight pieces and 4 curly pieces, and this was how we achieved this hairstyle. If this wasn't helpful, feel free to go on YouTube and search for DIY Goddess Box Braids and you'll see tons and thousands of hairstyles. Okay, I got so many compliments with this hair, and the people that asked couldn't believe that this was just 1.5 pack of braiding hair, guys. It was so full, it was so bouncy, it didn't tangle the way I was expecting it to. So if you've been on the fence because you're waiting for when you have money to buy like human hair, if it is $3 that you have, girl, get up, go to your local beauty supply store, get your braiding hair and slay on a budget. Okay. I hope you guys found this helpful. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Also go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section if you'll try it out, and if you have like any question in general, please let me know in the comment section. Please share this tutorial so that YouTube will know that this video was really helpful. And to my amazing 254,000 subscribers, I love you all and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah!